So SUNY Oswego is actually the only school I applied to, and that is because it was the best program for my major in the state. And I decided like midway through high school that this is what I wanted to do. I was really enjoying my tech classes in high school, and I decided to pursue it further here at Oswego. We do a lot of lab work, practice up on our skills so that we can teach them one day. We do like woods labs and metals labs. I'm in a lot of classes right now that are like design, so we learn how to design better. And then later on we do methods classes where we learn how to make lesson plans and eventually get to student teaching later on. They're great. They're very easy to talk to, super easy for one-on-one. If you have questions or falling behind, have anything to worry about, they're always there for help. So the Presidential Scholarship is one of our merit-based scholarships for incoming freshmen. Basically, it's based on grades and academic performance and potential. So I have the Presidential Scholarship, and that's helped me pursue what I want to do here at Oswego. I'm involved with a national sorority on campus, and I hold positions in that. And then I'm also an employee at the admissions office here at Oswego, so I'm a tour guide and I work in the office there answering phones and stuff. And then I also work at the Telefund at University Development, which is where we call alumni and student parents to donate to the fund for Oswego. I'll definitely be teaching. I'm not really sure where. I definitely am considering staying in New York State because it is a great state to teach in, and I already have I'll have my certification for New York. But definitely teaching somewhere, and I'd like to teach probably upper high school level students, so juniors, seniors in high school.